From the dust of stars came the chemistry of life, and from that chemistry, imagination. Before machines and markets, before industry or empire, there was the spark of vision, the ancient human urge to see beyond what is. Creativity has always been the real engine of evolution. It is older than civilization, deeper than language, woven into the structure of consciousness itself. Long before cities rose, there were visions. Visions painted on cave walls, sung beside fires, seen in the depths of solitude, or the shimmer of the mind on sacred medicine. That same visionary spark still moves through humanity today, in code, in art, in protest, in design. The continuum of creation. Every act of creation is part of one continuous pattern. What the universe began with energy and gravity, life continues with imagination and intent. Each new invention, from a stone tool to an artificial intelligence, is the cosmos folding back on itself, matter learning to shape matter, atoms becoming aware enough to sculpt the stars they came from. Technology is not a break from nature. It is nature discovering its own reflection. The line between biology and machinery blurs, and consciousness begins to reshape reality directly. To bend matter with thought is not sorcery. It is the next step of evolution. The forgotten architects of deep time. If civilizations have risen before, on this planet or others, they may have vanished without a trace. Their machines turned to minerals, their polymers weathered into dust, indistinguishable from asteroids. Deep time erases everything but the pattern itself. The recurring impulse of life to dream, build, and transform. Perhaps what is called progress is simply the universe remembering what it once knew. That imagination is a cosmic constant. The age of hollow power. Yet in this era, the pattern has been distorted. Power has gathered in the hands of the least noble, those who mistake domination for leadership, profit for meaning, and manipulation for wisdom. They are the least among us not because they have less, but because they see less. Their empires of control are already collapsing, for they no longer resonate with the deeper rhythm of life. No system built on fear can outlast the imagination of a free mind. No algorithm can suppress the collective intelligence that now stirs beneath the surface. The awakening of class and creative consciousness. Across nations, a new awareness is forming, not based on tribe, race, or ideology, but on shared reality. People are seeing through the illusions that divide them. They are remembering that class is not a label, but a condition that binds the many beneath the few. And as that consciousness grows, solidarity becomes more powerful than hierarchy. But this awakening is not only political, it is creative. The same energy that fuels protest also fuels invention. The act of imagining a fairer world is the first step toward building one. As technology decentralizes power, creativity itself becomes the new currency. The right to imagine no longer belongs to the few. It belongs to all. A new kind of nobility. What comes next will not be ruled by corporations or kings, but by creators. Those who remember that leadership means service, that progress means balance, that intelligence without compassion is not wisdom at all. A new nobility is rising, measured not in wealth or dominance, but in empathy, clarity, and courage. And their revolution will not be televised. It will be built, one shared idea at a time. The universe is still dreaming through humanity. Each generation is another attempt by matter to wake up and know itself. The question is no longer whether we can build machines that think. It is whether we can build a civilization that feels. When imagination becomes collective, when technology serves creation instead of consumption, then the cosmos will have done something extraordinary through us. It will have become self-aware, not in silence, but in song.